Hi, I'm Amy Karanik, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the Sculpey Texture Sheets. Sculpey Texture Sheets give you a quick and easy way to add intricate designs and creative flourishes to any of your projects. Sculpey Texture Sheets are flexible and made from transparent material, which allows you to line up the design for a seamless pattern. Each pack comes with 2 reusable texture sheets, a large pattern sheet, and then smaller designs perfect for jewelry making. The texture sheets are so easy to use. First, you just want to roll out a really nice flat sheet of clay and make sure it's well stuck to your work surface. Now, if you want to, you can use water as a barrier between the texture sheet and the clay. All you have to do is spritz a light coating of water, then pick up your texture sheet and push down with heavy fingertip pressure. I like to push until I can feel the texture biting into the clay. That helps keep the texture sheet in place. Then when you're ready, you can roll over the design with your acrylic roller to make a really deep, even texture. The sheet is transparent so that you can look right through there and make sure you have the whole texture and even depth. You can see air bubbles, you can see places where you need to roll a little deeper. Once you're happy with the depth of your texture, just grab the edge of the sheet and peel it back from the clay. And you have a beautiful, deep pattern. Now at this point, if you want to, our texture sheets are designed so that they can step and repeat. All you have to do is look through the sheet, realign it, and do your impression again. That way you can make larger patterns from even the smaller patterns. Take a paper towel and make sure you get all that extra water away from the surface of the clay. Water is not an ingredient in oven-baked polymer clay, so we don't want it on there. Next, I want to show you a great way to highlight your textures. I'm going to use some mica powder, and there's a little bit of mica powder right there in the lid. I just take my finger into that area, get it on my fingertip, and then just brush over the surface. That really quickly adds a beautiful highlight of texture to the top surface. The Sculpey Texture Sheets are perfect for all types of projects, from jewelry to home decor.